Hi, I'm Vianney from Gianvianney.com, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up and optimize your Twitter account in order to get more traffic for social media, in order to share your opinions. But of course, it's one of the part of the ecosystem that you have to build in order to gain traffic to your opt-in page, in order to build your list. So let's go to the video. Remember to subscribe to the channel.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up an account with Twitter. To sign up, come here to twitter.com and enter your name, email address and a password in here. And when you've done that, click on the button there that says sign up. It takes you to this page, and you can see here it fills in this information for you. This is the name, the email address, password and the username. You can also keep logged in on this particular computer. If you're using a public computer in an internet cafe or at school or college, you want to uncheck that one. Then you can agree to the terms of service, which are fairly straightforward really. You can also change your username if you want. So if you're promoting a business via Twitter, you can have the business name. So let's just change that. I'll call this new video for you. And you can see it is available. I've read the terms and service, so I'm just going to click create my account. Next thing you need to do is to select the topics that you're interested in and find a few people that you want to hear from, then you can follow them. Now let's say I'm interested in food and drink, and I also like technology. Then click on next step. Then this will automatically search through and find people in my Gmail contacts or my Yahoo contacts or Hotmail Messenger, AOL or LinkedIn who are already members of Twitter. At this particular time I don't want to do that, so I'm going to go skip the import, and then I need to confirm my email, so I'll just log into my Gmail account and do that. And here's the email in my inbox. What I have to do now is click on the link here, and there we go, there's my home page at Twitter. Okay, now you need to do a few things just to set it up, to make it look nice and so on. First thing you can do is set up your profile. Click on profile, edit your profile, click on here. This is the default picture that you get. You can also upload a photo from your website. Put your name, your location, let's add that in. There we go, I've put some information in there, name, location. This is my WordPress blog and a little bit about me down here in this box. And then I can click on save. I'll show you this tab here. This is the design tab. It opens up this window here, and you can see all the different themes that you can have. It's got the standard one selected. Looks a bit boring, so I'm going to go with this one here. And you can see in the background here it's already starting to set that. And I click on Save Changes. And there we go, the profile customization has been changed. And now who to follow? Well, click on this link and it takes you through here, And it says here, we're building a list of personalized suggestions for you. In the meantime, here are some other interesting accounts to follow, and you can decide whether you want to follow some of these people. Let's say I want to follow this rock band from Arizona. Just press the button here that says follow. And what will happen is they'll get a message saying that new video for you is now following you at Twitter. And let's have another one. Let's have Fledgling Wine, and I'll follow them as well. And click on that. And there we go. I'm now following them. I don't want to follow anybody else at the moment. So I go back to my home page here, and I can then write my first tweet. You can see here, click on this link and write my first tweet. So, making a video right now. There we go. And there we are. There's my first tweet, and you can see these are the tweets by the people that I'm following. So there we go. There's a Twitter account all set up and optimized.
Hey, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to learn more, if you want to learn step by step how to promote affiliate products, go to johnvianney.com. Remember to subscribe to the channel, insert your name and email in the page, and get the step by step training along with my free ebook about making money online with affiliate marketing.